In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a one-time card with Klarna. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, open up your Klarna app, and then you want to start shopping down here and find something you would like to buy. So you can go to any of the shops and then find something you'd like. Now, from there, what you have to do is click on the thing. So for example, these white sneakers over here. And then once you do that, you can either click add to cart over here or directly click pay with Klarna. Now, usually you'd want to click on add to cart in case you have multiple items. And after you do this, inside your cart, you will be able to click pay with Klarna, this button down here. After that, it will then ask you how much do you plan on spending, and it says you'll only be charged for what you need or what you end up spending. So in here you can type in whatever you want. So for example, it can be like $150 or something like that. So whatever amount you need, just type that in, and then you want to click on continue down here. Now from here, the next step will be to confirm your card details. Now over here, it will say you can basically use the one-time card, which of course you will only be able to use for 24 hours. And then if everything seems right over here and the payments, so these over here seem correct, then you can click on create your card, and then you can move on to the next step. From here, you will see your card, you will see how much it's worth up here, you will see how long it's valid for, and then all your card details, which I've hidden over here. And then the status will be waiting for purchase. Then after that, you will simply have to click back to whatever store you were in. So click on here, and then it will directly ask you for your billing details. Now, these may get autofilled in case Klarna has your details already. So in case there's anything in here and that's correct, that's perfectly fine. And then you can press continue. But if there's nothing inside the billing details, you will have to input it in manually. So after you do this, after you put those details in, click on continue yet again. And then on this site, which will be the payment method, you want to click on card. And after you click on the card, you'll see that a card details page will extend down here, and in there will be your card details. If there's not, you'll have to manually input them again, but usually Klarna will do it automatically. And after you have all this, and if everything here looks good, you can just click on complete purchase, and after that you'll see this page which says purchase complete, and then you will be redirected back to wherever you were before. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.